The IRS Data Retrieval Tool, or DRT, allows you to import tax information directly from the IRS to your Fafsa. The DRT is a safe and secure way to ensure that the financial information you provide is accurate. This video will show you how to use the DRT on your Fafsa. In order to complete this process, you will need your Federal Student Aid, or FSA, ID username and password, as well as the name and address used on your 2015 federal income tax return. To begin, go to fafsa.gov and click Login. Enter your FSA ID username and password to log into your Fafsa. You may also access the Fafsa using the student's legal name, social security number, and date of birth. However, you'll need the FSA ID login details to officially submit your changes. After you've entered your information, click Next. Next, click on the link to Make Fafsa Corrections. Now, create a 4 to 8 character save key. The save key allows you to return to your correction later if you need to stop and save your work. It also allows you to share access to your correction if a parent needs to add information or sign. You're ready to begin the correction process. Click Next to proceed. The Data Retrieval Tool will be available in the Financial Information section. To reach this portion of the Fafsa, click Next on each page to proceed through the Student Demographics sections, the School Selection section, and the Dependency Status section. You've now reached the Financial Information portion of the Fafsa. Remember that the details in this section refer to the 2015 tax year. Make sure that you have indicated that you have already completed your 2015 federal income tax return. You'll find the DRT information in the middle of the page. You'll be asked 2 questions to determine if you are eligible to use the DRT. First, did you file a Form 1040-X or amended tax return in 2015? If you did not, click No. Next, did you file a Puerto Rican or foreign tax return for 2015? Again, if you did not, click No. If you are eligible to use the DRT, you'll now see a button to link to the IRS. Click here. You'll now be transferred to the IRS website. Click the Proceed to IRS Site button to move forward. On the next page, you'll confirm the information from your 2015 federal income tax return. Click OK to proceed. Your name, social security number, and date of birth will pre-populate with the information from your Fafsa. Select the filing status that you used on your 2015 federal tax return. Then enter your address that was used on your return. Your name and address must be entered exactly as they appeared on your 2015 federal tax return in order for your data to transfer. Then click Submit to proceed. You'll now see a summary of the data to be transferred to your Fafsa. To authorize the transfer, check the box in the Transfer My Tax Information into the Fafsa section. Then click the Transfer Now button. Your IRS information will now appear on your Fafsa. Next to any item that has been transferred, you'll see a message saying Transferred from the IRS. Be certain not to make any changes to any of this data. Click Next on the remaining pages until you get to the Sign and Submit section of the Fafsa. To officially submit your correction, check the Agree button, then click Sign and Submit My Fafsa Now. You'll receive a confirmation message when your Fafsa has been submitted successfully. Please allow at least 5 business days for our office to receive your updated results. Should you have any questions or concerns about the IRS Data Retrieval Tool process or your Fafsa, don't hesitate to contact our office at finaid@iupui.edu for help.